Hello, everyone. My name is Alan Hatter, and today I will compare and contrast two different learning styles, theories pertaining to motivating students to learn. First off, what is motivation? Motivation is the word derived from the word motive, which means needs, desires, wants, or drives within the individual. It is the process of stimulating people to actions to accomplish the goals that they have in mind. In the student goal context, psychological factors stimulating the student's behavior can lead to um, or be a desire for good grades, success, recognition, possibly lead to a job opportunity, teamwork, and etc. The two theories that I would like to talk about today are positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement uh, about motivating students how to learn. First off, let's talk about the similarities in the both of them. Positive reinforcement motivates the students because they feel they will get something in return. A lot of students who feel that something comes from learning in a positive way seems clear cut and focused. Negative reinforcement is similar because students feel they need to learn and study and something will happen to them. Both of these give the students a reason to work harder. Um, Both have an effect on students and what they want to accomplish. Now, let's talk about the differences. For positive reinforcement, a benefit of it is to build morale and encourage the students to do their best work. An example of this is the classroom reward system, which you can reward students extra recess if they pass a test. Positive reinforcement means giving them something when they perform a desired action, so they associate the action with a reward and do it more often. This reward is reinforcing stimulus. In negative reinforcement, a response or behavior is strengthened by removing something or taking something away. Negative reinforcement can be an effective way because when negative reinforcements are presented immediately following the behavior, it gives more positive from it. Some experts believe negative reinforcement should be used sparingly in classroom settings, while positive reinforcement should be emphasized. While negative reinforcements can produce immediate results, it is best suited for short term success, according to the website where I found my information. In conclusion, today, I believe that there are many ways in which you can motivate students to learn. In my opinion, the best way are positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement in ways in which to motivate students to learn. They are similar in many ways, but differ because one motivates by giving something and the other motivates by taking something away. Thank you.